In this guide, we will learn how to manage manual time tracking using the StaffViz desktop application. For this purpose, you need to go to StaffViz desktop app. On the side panel, click on the Timesheet option. Once selected, a new screen will appear on the right side of your application window. On this screen, navigate to the Projects section where a drop-down menu will display all your saved projects. Select the project you want to log time for. After selecting the project, move on to the Task option and choose the relevant task from the drop-down list of saved tasks. Next, choose the specific date for which you want to manually track your time. Once the date is selected, to choose the time interval. You'll find a range of options from 5 minutes to 60 minutes. For instance, if you select a 60-minute interval, the time slots will appear in 1-hour gaps. Choose your preferred interval based on the nature of your task. After setting all your preferences, project, task, date, and time interval, click the Submit Time button to save your manual time entry. The StaffViz desktop app also features a notification panel that keeps you updated on courses, tasks, shifts, and more. Notifications are organized by date and time for clarity and are divided into categories like read and unread, making it easy to manage your updates. Lastly, to log out of your StaffViz account, simply click the Logout button on the navigation bar. Confirm by clicking Yes on the pop-up to complete the process. That's how you can efficiently manage manual time tracking in StaffViz. For further support, contact us at support@staffviz.com.